Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post only to your connections on LinkedIn. That means only your connections can see your post. This is so easy. Okay, let's see how to do this. Here I have already logged into my LinkedIn profile. Then here you can see start a post. Click on here. So here you can see your name. Under your name you can see post to anyone. So click on here. Then here you can see who can see your post. Under that you can find two options, anyone or connections only. So if you want to see your post anyone who is on or off LinkedIn, you can select anyone. So if you want to see your post only connections, just select connections only. Then click on done. That's it. Now your post can see only to your connections. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.